We are going to review top 5 best fishing rods. Let's get started. List number 1. Ugly Stick GX2, Caña de Pescar y Giratorio. This is a do-it-all, beater rod, and anglers love it for a simple reason: you'll catch a lot of fishing using it. Its graphic and fiberglass construction, with one-piece stainless steel guides, means it's tough as nails. And if the big one breaks it, or you somehow manage to snap it in half, a new one's not gonna bust your wallet. Double anodized aluminum bobina y un amplio libertad bajo fianza. Compression de muelles fianza ayuda en el aumento de la vida útil del carrot. 3+1 Sistema de rodamiento para una recuperación y una mayor sensibilidad. List number 2. Ugly Stick Elite Spinning Fishing Rod. Take the Ugly Stick GX2's toughness, build quality, and low price, and then swap in a cork handle and more graphite for extra feel. You have the Elite, which costs just a little more than the GX2, and proves Ugly Stick's dominance of the market. The Elite spinning rod with 35% more graphite for exceptional strength and feel. Virtually indestructible blank construction with a combination of graphite and fiberglass. Clear tip design delivers added responsiveness and strength. Cork handles provide comfort during lengthy fishing outings. One-piece stainless steel Ugly Tough guides eliminate insert pop-outs and can be used with all types of line. List number 3. St. Croix Fishing Rod. When you're ready for an upgrade, St. Croix offers some good options. Their rods are made in the US, and they have a great track record of quality. The Triumph is their top-selling graphite rod, and comes in a variety of sizes. Perfect for anglers who appreciate high performance without high cost, mid-modulus graphite fiber with a higher strain rate than common fibers, most popular material that is lightweight, durable and sensitive. Ensure you maintain a strong grip on your fishing rod. Fuji DPS reel seat with frosted silver hood, hard aluminum oxide guides with black frames, 2 coats of Flex Coat Slow Cure finish. 5-year warranty, backed by St. Croix Superstar Service. List number 4. Cast King Blackhawk 2. Traveling anglers are often at a disadvantage when it comes to selecting a rod, forced to choose between portability and quality. But Cast King has changed that. The Blackhawk 2 offers both, promising a 6-piece telescopic rod that performs like a solid blank. Using Toray carbon fiber layered in a unique manner, they have designed 6 individual pieces that collapse into one another for easy transportation. When extended, each piece locks securely into place and performs like your favorite single-piece rod. The hook holder also allows your rig to remain intact when collapsed for quicker deployment. Reinforced reel seats, comfortable EVA handles and multiple floating lines guides further ensure comfort and performance in a variety of applications. List number 5. Berkeley Lightning Rod Spinning Rod. Budget-limited anglers often fear that they will have to select a poor quality rod and simply make the best of it. However, there are a surprising number of affordable yet high-quality rods on the market, like the Berkeley Lightning Rod Spinning Rod. Made from a 24-ton, multi-modulus graphite blank, the Berkeley Lightning Rod Spinning Rod provides plenty of quality despite not costing very much money at all. Berkeley's Lightning Rod line includes rods ranging from 5 to 7 feet in length, and with power ratings ranging from ultralight to medium heavy. You can also select from several different actions, ranging from extra fast to moderate. The Berkeley Lightning Rod features many high-quality components, including stainless steel guides,